I've been waiting to make this video because people make comments about my neck. The reason your neck might be getting crepey or have loose skin has nothing to do with age. And I bet you didn't even know that. It might be something you put on this morning. I've been saying that in my treatment room for almost 30 years. And even as I got older and experienced it firsthand, I almost didn't even believe that something else besides age was causing the crepey skin on my neck. I'm going to show you exactly what has been causing our necks to get crepier and worse as we age, but it's not aging. There are 3 specific types of products that cause the neck to get worse as we age. The first is mineral oil and petrolatum. This is why it blocks the skin and it doesn't allow the skin to have any barrier repair at all. Number 2 is harsh emulsifiers, harsh cleansers that are made with a lot of synthetic ingredients. And this also goes for creams because creams also use emulsifiers. This will make a huge difference in the skin on our neck. Why? Because it's stripping the lipid layers in the skin. So it's pulling all of the good ceramides and oils out of the skin, making it weaker. And the last but not least, which was my number 1 problem, is synthetic fragrances. As a kid, I was on the beach nonstop, and I thought it was really cool to lay on the beach and smell really fabulous. So every time I was headed to the beach, little fragrance here and there on the neck. And this synthetic fragrance combined with the sun will do absolutely horrible damage to skin, really making it crepier and thinner than ever. Why is fragrance so bad? Because it creates a low-level inflammation in the skin. And when that happens, the skin structure, it just all of a sudden deteriorates. And the funny thing about all 3 of the reasons that we get crepey skin on our neck is that all create the illusion of moisture on the skin, but it's actually destructive and doing exactly the opposite. I've been in the skincare industry long enough to see what has worked, what hasn't worked. I worked at an Estee Lauder counter back in the day in college, and I sold tons of skincare. Every bit of it had emulsifiers in the skin, or skincare. It was stripping the skin. Everything as far as working with the skin, everything I want you to know, it's all fixable. Is it gonna be like we're 20 years old? No, but is it gonna be better than it was? Yes. You go to some places for facials and they only treat the face, they never treat the neck. It's one thing we've never done at any of my spots it's the face and the neck. Forget this whole, let's do one part and forget the neck. It's out all the time. We have to treat it. Neck skin is different than the face skin, and you're going to need targeted repair on the neck. And if you buy a serum and you don't want to use it on your face but on your neck, it needs to have high doses of ceramides. It needs NAD. It needs niacinamide. These boosters help the cells speed up so that the cells get all the nutrients that you're giving it from the body. That part of the cellular renewal is so important for having skin that looks amazing and glowing no matter how old you are. And if you're looking for products, you just happen to be looking for products that are fragrance-free, emulsifier-free, mineral oil-free, you can take a peek at my Skin Diva Labs. It's a definite labor of love. I'm a small batch manufacturer here in the state of Florida. It's USA produced and manufactured, and I have a fabulous cosmetic chemist out of Boston, Massachusetts that was very instrumental in helping. I think we did everything together with the physiology of the skin, and I'm practicing and using what is happening in the treatment room. She's in the lab and able to give me what a product needs for a very simple 5-step bio-barrier repair system that you use on a daily basis, and it gives you incredibly fabulous glowing skin. It may not be able to do all the repairs for all the damage that was done for all my years of being in the sun, but it can do some pretty remarkable changes for smoothing out acne, helping with pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and so forth. And thanks for following with me all the way to the very end, and I'll see you in the next video.